I had a great dentist growing up. He helped me out and feel a lot more comfortable in the chair. I had a lot of fillings, growing up. It was kind of difficult for me. I wasn't the greatest at taking care of my own teeth. And he was able to teach me and help me understand the importance of keeping care of my teeth, as well as, I had to get fillings, I had to get some other problems, and I was very anxious, and he was able to uh, really get rid of that fear for me. So it was one of those things growing up that I saw, hey, here's an opportunity to teach somebody and help them get out of fear and anxiety for going to the dentist. And so that's something that I really try to pride myself on is education, teaching somebody what I'm going to do, not just take this, instrument or whatever it might be into your mouth. I want to explain why I'm doing it and how that can benefit your oral health. And it is something that I try to strive for in my practice.